Half of home fire deaths result from fires reported between 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. Only 1 in 5 home fires were reported during these hours. 1/4 of home fire deaths were caused by fires that started in the bedroom. Another quarter resulted from fires in the living room, family room, or den.
Due to open floor plans in new homes and the use of synthetic materials in furnishings and furniture, fires in residential homes burn faster and the smoke and gases are more toxic. If you don't shut your door at night going to bed and a fire occurs, the smoke, heat, and toxic gases enter your room and you may not survive. Not to mention the temperatures of a working structure fire are between 600 and 1500 degrees. If you do not have your door shut, you will not survive. It's important to shut your bedroom door every night before going to bed for several reasons. Over half of the U.S. fire deaths occur at night, and the most common cause of death during a house fire is smoke inhalation. A closed bedroom door gives you a barrier between you and the fire. An average fire department response is 5 to 7 minutes. With your bedroom door shut during a fire in your home, you will add minutes to your escape through a window, or you will allow adequate time for the fire department to arrive and rescue you from your home. Make sure you have a smoke detector inside and outside of every bedroom in your home. Also, change your batteries in your smoke detectors twice a year. These devices are your first line of defense for your family in a home fire. Make sure your family has a home fire escape plan and practice that plan. Make sure you establish a meeting place outside of the home in a safe location away from the home. This way your family can be accounted for at that meeting place. Always have 2 ways out of your bedroom, the primary route and a secondary route. This may be a window or another door. Another important point is once you escape from your home from fire, do not enter a burning home for any reason.